today we have received a letter and information from Government of India to take some precautions at the airport. Those people who have travelled from UK in particular through any kind of destinations portal, be it Dubai, Delhi or any other place that they have travelled from. In the last 14 days, those people who have travelled to Bangalore and Karnataka, we want to have a track on them, and also we want to request them to undergo this test, RT-PCR test, especially from those countries, especially UK, Netherlands and Denmark, where we have found out this new strain of virus. We have understood that this virus can spread very quickly. This property of spreading, it is highly contagious, but it is not more virulent than the existing strain. So to that extent we are relieved that it is not going to affect really in that sense, but spread is more vibrant. So we need to take utmost precautionary measures.
So what has been
now
planned?
the Civil Aviation Ministry has included France and Germany and other countries which are in UK, that they'll stop the flight services to
We
these
will,
countries and from
the
these countries.
state also will follow exactly what Government of India guides us time to time, and we will follow their directions and guidelines.
So what are the SOPs which have been put in place? What are the SOPs like? Does the same thing follow?
SOPs doesn't change because the virus has not changed much. This due to the mutation what we are seeing, the new strain. The only property that differs from the existing virus is that it has the capacity to spread quickly. The virality has not changed.
So you said action
What
will be
are the
taken.
numbers of the passengers, sir?
The ones who have come from Britain
how
or
it will be
UK.
tracked down,
So
sir?
RT-PCR test. What is
We
going
have
to be done?
Optomitra in place, and from today or tomorrow itself at the airports we are going to create facilities to monitor all this, screen these international passengers from these countries that is
Will
affected.
the action be taken against those party halls and hotels which arranges New Year and Christmas Eve parties in large numbers?
See, regarding New Year and other parties, we have already issued a guideline, so there is no need for again.
So
How about the
Prime
vaccine, sir? How about the
Minister-
vaccine? Whether we are getting any kind of vaccine the month of January, because the central health minister said that we'll be getting vaccine. Whether it will be effective
See,
of this
we
kind
are
of virus?
very hopeful for the existing virus. It is very much efficient, but UK studies also say that the existing vaccine that they are administering for the virus holds good even for the new strain.
So now schools
Sir,
will
now
be
you
opened.
also-
ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
So the schools will be reopened from Jan 1st. The schools. So regarding that, what kind of measures
We
will
are
be
meeting
taken?
with our experts committee tomorrow to discuss in detail about all the activities. That includes even education also.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Sir, what is your
We are hopeful we should get at the earliest. We are hoping that it will come in the first quarter, maybe January. If we get in January, we will be very happy.
Sir, Karnataka High Court
We are
has-
also equally optimistic and we are also looking forward.
Sir, Karnataka High Court today has ordered that it has given stay on the Karnataka government's decision, which was shown before that.
The criminal cases
the
against
criminal
61
Withdrawal of
MLAs.
cases, sir.
against the MLAs and the
The
ministers.
withdrawal of the criminal cases, there was an order on August 31st.
You were taken that the
Now the
cases
stay
will be
has
withdrawn against the MLAs, elected representatives, which included the ministers of Karnataka also. But now the High Court has given a stay.
Against the ministers?
Yes,
Including
earlier cases.
ministers.
Earlier-
Ministers, elected representatives.
There are cases on
I am
ministers.
not aware of it. I am
Oh.
not aware of
In,
the
sir,
judgment.
many states we have found the cases are increasing of mucormycosis, the black fungal infection. Have we found black fungal infection, mucormycosis due to COVID-19? Have we found any case here in Karnataka?
No, not yet. Not
Okay.
yet. Not yet. Yeah, not yet.
Sir, and how are you going to track the passengers who have come from UK in last?
See, we are going to follow the same SOPs as what we did earlier.
ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬೇಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಯೋಯೋ ಟಿವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.